The government has just announced a big shake-up of the UK's electricity market. It says it'll mean stable bills and better energy security. But what does it actually change? I'm Jess Ralston, an energy analyst. Right now, UK electricity prices are mostly set by gas around 60% of the time, even when renewables or nuclear dominate the energy mix. That's the core problem that the UK government's trying to solve. The government says it wants to reduce the amount of time that renewables have their price set by gas. Obviously a problem when gas prices are really high, like they are at the moment because of the war in Iran. It says it's going to do this by moving more renewable generation, which currently gets that market price set by gas, onto fixed term contracts called contracts for difference. All new renewables pretty much have these contracts for difference, so it's the older renewables that the government today is incentivising to move onto fixed price contracts. It says it's going to do this next year. The carrot for the renewable generators to do this is the fixed price contract that the government's offering. But there's also a stick, and that's increasing the electricity generators levy, which is essentially the windfall tax on renewable generators. Not only this, but the government's rhetoric is really around doubling down on clean power, not rowing back on it, as many people are suggesting things like the North Sea instead. The government is pretty much rejecting this idea and saying that clean power is the way to get us away from these fossil fuel shocks. The government says it's had enough of foreign actors like Putin or Trump or whoever else controlling the prices that we pay for our electricity, and today's announcements certainly do go some way in taking back control of our energy independence.